Hello everyone, we are the Group 6 presenters and today I will be discussing cloud security and compliance, an essential topic in cloud computing. As businesses and organizations increasingly rely on cloud technology, ensuring data security and regulatory compliance has become a top priority. As cloud usage grows, businesses must ensure data security and compliance with laws like HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR to protect sensitive informations. In learning outcomes, by the end of this lesson, you will understand cloud security risk, learn about compliance and industry standards, develop a disaster recovery plan for cloud applications, evaluate a recovery plan to ensure data protection. This lesson covers cloud security risks and best practices, compliance frameworks like HIPAA and GDPR, disaster recovery and business continuity. Cloud security risk and best practices is a secure way to store sensitive data like job, records, and health files. However, it requires security measures like encryption and access control to prevent cyber threats.
Cloud security risks, threats, and challenges. Number 1, data breaches. Hackers steal important information like password and personal details. Number 2, unmanaged attack surface. Too many weak spots make it easier for hackers to break in. Number 3, data loss. Important files get deleted or lost due to mistakes or cyber attacks. Number 4, weak access control. Too many people have access, making it easier for hackers to get in. Number 5, shadow IT. Employees use unknown apps without security checks, creating risk. Number 6, hijacking. Hackers steal password and take control of cloud accounts. Number 7, malware. Dangerous software sneaks in and harm files or steal data. Number 8, insider threats. Employees or insiders misuse data or accidentally leaks information. Number 9, zero-day exploit. Hackers find and attack security flaws before they are fixed. Number 10, shared technology weaknesses. When cloud services share resources, one weak spot can put everything at risk. Number 11, misconfigure cloud storage. Mistakes in cloud settings can leave data open to the public or hackers. Number 12, compliance issue. Not following security laws or rules can lead to legal trouble. Number 13, data and privacy contract branches. Companies break agreements on how data should be handled, risking fines and trust. Number 14, human error. Mistakes like using weak password or clicking harmful links can lead to security problems. Number 15, insecure APIs. Weak or unprotected connection between apps can let hackers in. Number 16, DOS attacks. Hackers overload a cloud service, making it slow or unusable. Number 17, advanced persistent threats. Skilled hackers secretly stay inside a system for a long time, stealing data without being noticed.
6 cloud computing security best practices to follow. 1. Use a cloud service that encrypts. 2. Read users' agreements. 3. Enable two-factor authentication. 4. Don't share personal information. 5. Don't store sensitive data. 6. Do your research. Compliance in Standard HIPAA or Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. 2. GDPR or General Data Protection Regulation. 3. PCI DSS Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Data Protection Act of 2012. NPC or National Privacy Commission. Cloud Disaster Recovery and Business Continuity. What is a disaster recovery plan? Disaster recovery plan is an organization ability to restore access and functionality to IT infrastructure after a disaster event, whether natural or caused by human action or error. IT disaster recovery defined. Disaster recovery is a portfolio of policies, tools, and processes used to recover or continue operation of critical IT infrastructure, softwares, and systems after a natural or human-made disaster.
What is a disaster recovery site? A disaster recovery site is a backup location for storing critical data and IT system in case of emergencies like cyber attack or power failure. Traditionally, these were physical data centers which were expensive to build and maintain. With cloud technology, physical recovery sites are no longer necessary. Cloud-based disaster recovery is a faster, more cost-effective, and scalable, allowing businesses to restore data quickly without the high cost of maintaining a second data center. What is considered a disaster? A disaster is any event that causes major harm or disruption. This can be natural disaster like earthquakes and hurricanes, health crises like pandemics or cyber attack like malware and ransomware. Understanding these threats help us prepare and respond effectively. There's intentional human cause threat. These are deliberate actions that lead to harm or destruction. Example, terrorist attack. Biochemical threats such as the release of toxic chemicals or biological agents. These type of disaster are particularly dangerous because they are planned and often unpredictable. Technological hazards that result from failures or accidents related to modern technology. Power outage that disrupt essential services. Pipeline explosion that cause fire or environment damage. Transportation accidents like plane crashes or train derailments, while not intentional, this disaster can have devastating effect on communities. Machine and hardware failures. In our technology-driven world, machines and hardware play a crucial role in daily life.
Disaster recovery restores critical system after disruptions like cyber attacks, hardware failures, or natural disaster, minimizing downtime for businesses continuity. How disaster recovery works. A well-structured plan ensures systems are restored quickly, ideally within minutes. Backup and replications. Data is regularly backed up or mirrored. Failover mechanisms. Operations switch to a backup if the primary system fails. Automations and orchestrations. Cloud providers automate service restorations. Testing and monitoring. Regular tests ensures plan effectiveness. Traditional recovery relied on physical servers in multiple locations, but cloud computing has improved the process with scalability. Resources adjust as needed. Cost efficiency. Pay-as-you-go pricing lower costs. Global redundancy. Data is stored across multiple locations for resilience. Faster recovery. Automations reduce downtime significantly. Types of disaster recovery. Backup. The simplest form of disaster recovery. Data is regularly copied and stored in secure locations, allowing businesses to restore information when needed. Backup as a service. A cloud provider manages and stores backup for businesses. This eliminates the need for on-site backup storage and ensures data security. Disaster recovery as a service. A full cloud-based solutions that help businesses recover their IT system quickly. It provides automated failover and backup restorations to minimize downtime. Point-in-time snapshots captures system state at a specific time, allowing organization to restore data to a previously working version if corruptions and failure occurs. Virtual disaster recovery uses virtualization technology to create backup copies of system. This enables quick recovery without relying on physical hardware. Disaster recovery sites. Secondary location that take over operations if the primary site fails. This can be cloud-based or physical site ensuring business continuity during major disruptions. What is business continuity? Business continuity means keeping a company running smoothly even when unexpected problems occur, like power outage, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. A business continuity plan, BCP, is a guide that helps companies stay on track and quickly recover.
What is BCDR or Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery? For example, a bank has a BCDR plan where all customer data is backed up to a secure cloud server. If their primary data center goes offline due to a power outage, operations switch to a secondary site, ensuring uninterrupted banking services. What is the difference between business continuity and disaster recovery? For example, in a retail company experiences a cyber attack. Employees switch to backup system and continue processing orders manually because business continuity focuses on keeping essential business operations running during a disruption. While DR or the disaster recovery, it restores the main servers from backups to fully recovered operations. Because disaster recovery focuses on restoring IT systems and data after a disaster.